This lighting is decent, I guess. It's okay. Got my lights up. They're kind of cool. So I plan to put them around my whole room, like this whole border thing you're seeing. Yeah. So yeah, I got them from Kmart for like $6. And yeah, I'm just gonna do the whole, I guess, I don't know what to call it, but that. But I did just want to come on here and just talk about something. I want to talk about how I just haven't been feeling motivated, you know? And it's because, I think because I've just letting my mind wander too much. Working a lot lately too. Like, I usually don't work 8-hour shifts, or if I do, I'll only work an 8-hour shift like once a week. I've been working multiple 8-hour shifts, and I appreciate it because I get paid every Friday. So when that check comes in, I like the check. To be honest, I don't like working 8-hour shifts. They're just too much. I rather work 5 hours, 6 the most. You kind of start to get used to it, but I still just would rather not work 8-hour shifts. I just don't like to. I don't like being trapped for too long, but I like getting my half-an-hour break in my 2:10. So it is what it is. And I feel like that's with any job. If anyone works, you know, if you're there a lot, it just starts to get to you, and it just can start to take a toll on you. So lately I've just been telling myself, like, you're gonna get through it and it's gonna end. Once those 8 hours are over, you're done. You go home, you know? But since I have this month off school, I'm gonna rearrange my room, hopefully do some fun stuff, and I'm just gonna vlog everything and just see where it takes me. I'm literally sweating. It's so hot in here. But yeah, I'm gonna go because I don't have anything else to say. So my package finally came in from Soleil, I believe that's how you say it. So I got these hoop earrings and then these little locket ones. They're so cute and little. I love them. You will definitely be seeing me wearing these a lot. This lighting isn't the best, but I have my earrings on. And I think they look kind of cute. You know, my braids need to be redone, but I'm feeling it. I like it. So this is my Instagram. Go follow it. Oh my goodness, though. Look at my little from Europe. I was just going through, looking at all the memories. Oh my goodness. Like, I can't believe I was in these places. What the heck? But yeah, you guys can see for yourself when you go on my Instagram. Oh my god, look at my flip-flops in the background. I can't. So right now I'm about to go to GameStop because I'm getting some games for my DS. Let me show you guys my D. Got the 2DS XL. Yeah, it's cool. Let me open it up for you guys. This is what it looks like. My bed's a mess, but yeah. Here we go. Yeah. So I'm about to go to GameStop and get some games. I'm trying to find Sims or anything that's similar to like interacting with people and building, you know, all that good stuff. So yeah, I'm gonna do that. And yeah, my hair looks weird in this lighting. My braids need to be redone. What else you getting? Yeah, I'm just gonna get the Sims. Don't make sure you're not getting in the car. You know, the car's a little mess. Are you showing them the mess?
Girl, I'm just pointing right where I'm used to the camera at these outdoor slippers that she got to look like Herman Monster.
Don't. They're cute.
They're just so fabulous, y'all. They're beautiful.
You know what, Mom?
Call them goddamn Ugg monster. She can't even put them back in the box correctly.
I'm absolutely loving this new beanie. I also got some other colors to return the ones I had because didn't like them. Oh my god. This color, brown, and then just the black one. And I love them. It's cute. I like it. Kitty. You're so cute. So I'm at work and I don't want to be here. You can tell. I miss my kitten already. I named her Olive, but yeah, I work a quick like 4 hours and 45-minute shifts, so it's cool. But yeah, I'm just gonna use the bathroom and then start my shift because I'm so excited to be here. And then I'm gonna go to Organica and then go home, finish this vlog, and then upload it basically.